Hi everyone, welcome to my channel.
In this video, we are going to marry lip and art with mixed media art and we'll get to know how well they go with each other. I recently made this lip and art for my friend and I was really amazed to see how beautiful it looked considering the amount of work it took. Usually in my artworks, I spend hours drawing and creating details, but in this painting, it was such a simple pattern and it looked so beautiful. I figured it was because of the bright colors used and the shiny mirrors on top of them, so I decided to use that again in my next painting. I wanted to make a mixed media painting for my friend, and usually I color my mixed media paintings using paint and spray method, but this time I did things differently. I decided to experiment on this already existing mixed media canvas painting that I made a while ago, but I couldn't figure out what to do at the corners, so it has been incomplete since months. I started with painting the shapes with bright solid colors. Glued different shapes of mirrors and added some details using white Posca pen. Empty, so I added some dots around, but then it kind of looked overdone. But overall, I loved it. Then I moved on to my next painting. For my next painting, I'm using this rectangular piece of hardboard and I'll be using this wooden chips. These chips come with the canvas and I use them to make some flower petal-like shapes on my mixed media art. Also be using these wooden spoons. I just cut off their handles and they look like flower petals. I'm going to glue them on my hardboard using Fevibond. Fevibond is a very strong glue and I really prefer it over Fevicol or any other glue. I bought these round and they are shaped things from craft store, and I am going to glue them the same way. Once my whole arrangement is completely dried, I'm going to paint it with white acrylic paint. In the end, I'm going to glue the mirrors and add some details using white acrylic pen. Our painting is complete.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope it was useful for you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to watch more videos like this. And I'll see you later. Bye bye.